Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't said that in forever on here. I'm back. I've tried to film this video so many times, but there's like so much that I could share that I don't really want to get into of like everything. But mainly I left this channel because I was very burnt out and I ended up closing my business, and I felt like I couldn't come on here because I didn't have a small business to talk about, because this channel was so small business focused, and that was like all the content that I was putting up, and it was like, well, no one's going to care now because you close your business. So I actually have another channel where I post lifestyle content, but I didn't feel like I could do that on this channel just because of the way the algorithm works, of the way that YouTube pushes stuff out, and if you guys don't interact with it, it doesn't get pushed out. And if you subscribed for the business content and I'm not giving you that, I don't blame you. Like, I understand. So I felt like once I closed my business, I couldn't come back on here. It just had to be the end of this channel. Sorry that I left you guys. There was a lot going on, just a lot of stuff, and I'm not going to get into it. But if I could, if you could see everything that happened, you'd be like, okay, I understand. What I am going to say though is I'm back to being a small business owner, and I want to bring small business content back to this channel. And so I felt like I needed to just have a little sit down chat with you before I just kind of hard launch like shop vlogs again, because you guys were so supportive of me during my sticker shop journey, and I greatly appreciate that. I just had to step away. I had to take time for myself. I had to figure out what I wanted out of life and who I was outside of being a small business owner, because that really became my whole identity in the 10 years that I was doing it. That really became who I was. My whole personality was just shop stuff. I burn out, and that was really hard. And it was really hard to let go of something that I loved so much, but was also like, I don't use planner stickers anymore. This isn't making me happy. This isn't serving me. So I need to let it go. And I tried to let it go for a few years before I actually did. And that was definitely noticeable in my videos, because I'd be like, okay, I'm switching and I'm not doing planner stickers, and I'm doing lifestyle content. And I was kind of all over the place. It was because I was just having a hard time letting my shop go, because it meant so much to me. But I think like with anything in life, you can have things that mean so much to you, but like it's for a season. And once that season's over, you have to like let it go, release it, and appreciate it for what it was, while understanding that like it's no longer part of your journey anymore. I really struggled with that part of it, but I have let it go. I have not made planner stickers in a couple of years now. And now I want to get back to small business life, because I do love small business life, okay? I needed to take a step back. I needed to find myself outside of being a small business owner. So now, to get you caught up, because I know you guys used to kind of like really follow my life and were a big part of my life, and I don't want you to feel like you're not part of that anymore. This isn't just going to be like, let me sell you something. This is like bringing you into my journey of starting a new shop. So I want to like fill you in on where I'm at now since I've been gone. I have found an amazing group of friends. My social calendar is busier than I've been since high school. So that's really exciting. So I have a life outside of small business work. I have hobbies. As you can tell, I've changed the office into a library space. I have hobbies, things that I love doing outside of just making planner stickers and making videos about planner stickers. I have a full-time job. I work for my parents' business. I answer their phone calls, do their scheduling, process payments, all that kind of fun stuff. And now I'm going to add back in shop owner life. And I'm very excited about that, because I've missed that creative part in my life. I still have YouTube. I've been posting on YouTube the whole time. Like I have a lifestyle channel. So I still have that to be creative, but I wanted to like create products. Like I wanted to bring that part of it back in. So I will be opening a shop on August 14th, and I'm very excited about it. I understand if you guys don't want to stick around. I understand if you're upset that I just up and left without explanation. I get that. Just for my own mental sanity, I had to just step away. And now I'm back, and hopefully you guys are still here. I was really nervous. I posted on Instagram for the first time in a long time, and I was really worried that like nobody's gonna care. And the outpouring of love that I received over there was like, I was blown away by it. So if you're still here and you're still supporting, I just know I appreciate you guys. The journey has been a little crazy, and like I said, I do feel like I'm in a much better place now where I can come back. It's gonna be a little bit different. I plan on only doing one video a week. I don't want to burn myself out. I want to have fun with this. I don't want this to be like the way it was before. So I will be doing like shop related vlogs, taking you along on the journey of growing my business. It's not going to look like daily vlogs or anything like that, because like I said, I do have another channel that I'm very passionate about, and I post over there, and I don't want to have to drop that So I want to add to this, not take stuff away from my life. So I think realistically, I can do one video a week here and keep up with that. I'm very excited about that, but I felt like I needed to just sit down and have a little heart to heart with you guys. I so appreciate you guys. If you've stuck around, if you are still here for just supporting me, it means a lot to me. And I know I've been pretty absent the last couple of years. Even before I left this YouTube channel, I just kind of had already mentally checked out, to be honest. And like I said, there's a lot of stuff. James is also still here. I mean, he's not here right now. He's at work. But I wanted to mention that because I know one thing that towards the end really got to me and really bothered me was if he wasn't in a vlog, I would get questioned about it. Like I'd get questions on Instagram, like, where's James? What is James doing? Is everything okay? James has a job. He never worked for my business. Like he helped me with stuff, but like he never worked, like that wasn't his job. You know, that was my job. He has a job, has a great job, and he goes and he does that during the day, and then he comes home and we hang out. And I wasn't filming that because it was like I was filming what I was doing during the day. And then once he came home, it was like, I don't want to stick a camera in our face, you know, while we're trying to eat dinner and watch a TV show just for content's sake. So I want to throw that out there. James is still here. He's still good. You know, he's my best friend. I wanted to address that just because that was something that towards the end there, and I just could not understand why we just kept asking about James. And it was just a couple people, and it was just a little weird. And I don't know, I don't think they meant anything by it. Looking back, I'm like, okay, I can see maybe where you were like, where is he? Because if you thought he worked for my business and you never saw him, but he doesn't. He never has. He was just home a lot during the COVID era. Yeah, I think I've babbled enough. Really, the point of this is that I'm back. I'm going to be posting videos here at least once a week related to shop content and building up my new shop, which opens on August 14th. So next week, I'm going to be filming a lot of videos just building up to the opening date. Yes, I'll have more information in the description of this video, because by the time the next one goes up, I'll probably already have the shop open, and then you'll see the leading up to it after I open it, just because of the way the vlogs are gonna go. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyway, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I'm sorry that I had to leave, but I just think it was for the best, and I'm in a much better headspace and much happier in life. And so I thank you for letting me have that space and that time to kind of figure stuff out. Hopefully you're still here on this journey, even if you followed me for planner stickers and I'm no longer doing that. Hopefully you're interested in what I'm doing now, and I can just share life stuff with you. I mean, I'm still going to share life stuff with you within the business vlogs. It's just the main theme here is my journey to becoming a business owner again. Thank you guys. Thanks for the love and the support. It means a lot to me, and I'm excited and I'm nervous for this journey. I was very nervous to come back on here and chat with you guys, but I have missed you. And so hopefully we can build this back up better than ever. But anyway, I need to stop babbling and I need to get to work now. So I will see you guys in my next video.